Two islands, one tombolo, and volcanic rocks aplenty. We're exploring Hong Kong's Geopark right here on Drone and Phone.
Well, welcome back to the second episode of the Geopark series. I'm here with Jack. What are we doing today?
Today we go to a place relatively easy to go from Sai Kung. It's only 2 kilometers away. It's called Sharp Island.
It's going to be a very relaxing day. Should be good fun and some beautiful Geopark stuff to look at too. So let's get going.
If you are surprised, you will see.
The Hong Kong UNESCO Global Geopark is a treasure trove of unique geological heritage and biodiversity, spanning an impressive 100 square kilometres. Situated in the eastern part of Hong Kong, this is a must visit for outdoor enthusiasts living in Hong Kong. To make things easier, we've broken it down into 5 one-day trips to make sure you get to see the best of the amazing geological landscapes. For the second part, we start at the Geopark Volcanic Discovery Centre, Sai Kung, where Jack picks up a free guide to our day ahead.
Sharp Island?
Oh, okay, that's cool.
From there, we stroll down to the waterfront where we buy a return ticket to Sai Kung. We suggest starting at Hat Man Bay and walking to the other side of the island, so make sure the junk trip can pick you up at both ends. The boat trip takes about 15 minutes. The bay is one of Hong Kong's most scenic beaches, with a crescent-shaped beach and crystal clear waters. A great spot for lunch, or at least a few minutes before you start the climb up to the ridge. Prepare for a steep start.
Well, it's a short, sharp shock as you start climbing 136 meters up until the tallest point, which I think is just ahead of us here. Now we're walking up first, and then we'll be going along the spine of the island along a ridge which we've just started now, and that's going to take us down to where most of the highlights of the Geopark are on Sharp Island, and that's down on the other side. Let's get going.
Once you get up to Black Peak, the rest of the walk is short and quite pleasant as you take in views of Kai Sai Chau to the right and Ma Nam Wat Peninsula on the left. After you make it back down to the beach, you're faced with a rich variety of volcanic and sedimentary rock formations.
So to get to the best area of the Geopark, you have to walk across this tombolo here. To do that, you need to time it right at low tide. It's 3 o'clock low tide. 2:45 now, perfect timing for us. If you come at high tide, you may be getting wet.
There is a path that takes you over Kiu Tau, where at low tide you can scramble over the rocks towards the lighthouse. On this day of our visit, an art installation added to the geological attractions.
We have just walked over this small little island here. It's attached by a tombolo to Sharp Island. We're at low tide, so we've been able to scramble quite a long way out. It's absolutely beautiful here. Just look at how clear the water is. It feels like we're in the Maldives or somewhere like that. Sun is going down, and we're going to be finishing off with a little coast here to end the day. So Jack, there's 2 ways back. We can go back up along a simple path, nice and easy, be back in no time, back to Tombolo, or we can coast steer along here. So we're Drone and Phone, what are we going to do?
We never take the easy way, right? If you watch Drone and Phone, we always go for the harsh one. Always.
This way.
The coast steering round is short and fun, and a great way to see more of the volcanic features. After you cross back on the Tombolo, it's a short walk to the ferry pier, where you take your ride home.
Well, that's the end of this episode. We have done just under 4 kilometers, not long at all. Nice and easy one, some nice spots as well. It is pretty beautiful, eh, Jack?
It's one of the most beautiful places in Hong Kong, and very easy to go. I think I will take my son here just for a blast. Very nice, very nice.
course, this is way too easy for my children. Anyway, if you're finding this for the first time, you'll find lots more of our episodes on our website, dronophone.com, and also on our YouTube channel, where you can subscribe to see us every week. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Jack.
And this is Drone and Phone.
Bye.
You know, every time I try to do a piece of camera, I get the camera out and Jack flies his drone right over in front of me and it's buzzing like crazy, so I can't shoot. And I wait and I wait and I wait and I wait. Just amateurish. I don't know why I work with these amateurs.